Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Jasing, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management. Today we start topic measuring yield in revenue management. Yield in revenue management refers to the revenue generated per unit of available capacity, such as seats, rooms, or vehicles. The yield management focuses on maximizing this revenue by setting the right price and controlling the availability of inventory based on demand and other factors. The key metrics to measure yield. The first one is yield percentage. This matrix is related as the ratio of actual revenue to potential revenue. It measures how much of available capacity was sold at highest possible price. The yield equal to actual revenue potential multiplied by 100 and equal to actual revenue divided by times. 100 yield equal to potential revenue actual revenue multiplied by 100. First, now we discuss potential revenue. Is the revenue that could have been generated if all units, example hotel rooms or airline seats, were sold at highest possible price. The actual revenue is that actually generated by the sales at varying prices. And yield of 100% means that all inventory was sold at highest price, while a lower yield indicates missed revenue opportunity or underpricing. The second one is revenue per available seat या mile. Specific measures used in airline industry RASM calculates the revenue generated per available seat या mile. It helps airlines understanding their performance based on capacity and yield. The third point is revenue per available rooms. Review par is key metric in hotel industry, combining both the average daily rate and the occupancy rate to give a holistic view of hotel revenue performance. Formula is review par equal to average daily rate multiplied by occupancy rate equal to average daily rate and divided by times and occupancy. Review par equal to average daily rate multiplied by occupancy rate. This helps hotels measure how well they are utilizing their available rooms and optimizing their pricing strategy. The next point is average daily rate. These measures are average price at which a hotel sells its rooms over a specific period. The higher ADR generally leads to higher yield, but it must be balanced with occupancy rate to ensure that rooms are filled. The last one is booking curve. The booking curve reflects the demand over time and is used to adjust pricing accordingly. Understanding the booking curve helps determining how prices should change as the time to departure or arrival nears. Thank you everyone. If you like our content, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academy.